Exercise number 2. Start. Of course, this is a technical matter and I do not feel much competent to speak on the implications of it or how it will ultimately affect us because what we find is even much more competent people of the category of CAG, etc., have not been able to be unanimous on this point. Full stop. There have been so many views offered. Full stop. There was reference made to the recommendations of the PAC. Full stop. So many riders were there. Full stop. The estimate committee had given certain recommendations. Full stop. There are the recommendations of the ARC. Full stop. The recommendations are subject to so many riders, so many conditions. Full stop. All these things should have gone into the depth, and if they had not made up their minds so far, what suddenly happened just now? Question mark. Why should they pass an ordinance on the 29th of February? Full stop. Why cannot they wait for 7 days for the House to reassemble? Question mark. They just come to this house with this attitude which cannot be appreciated. Full stop. Next paragraph. In the statement of objects and reasons, they have stated the circumstances necessitating legislation by ordinance. Full stop. It appears that they have made up their mind to do it with effect from 1st April to complete the exercise before the date. Full stop. Without taking the view of the legislature, the executive has come to a decision and they have started as it were implementing the decision. Full stop. To start with, they want to do it in connection with three ministries. Full stop. The present accounting system applicable to most ministries and departments is essentially external to financial management functions where the payments are made by the treasuries and accounts are complied by the audit and accounts offices under the control of the comptroller and auditor general on the basis of initial and subsidiary accounts received by them from the treasury. Full stop. This system worked fairly well when governmental business was limited. Full stop. With the increase in the volume and variety of governmental outlay, the system has proved inadequate to the administration's stakes and separation of accounts from audit had to be thought of. Full stop. There are doubts in our minds which have been very valid, if I may say so, expressed by friend who has studied the matter in greater details. Full stop. Therefore, we submit that this is not a matter which should be hurried through. Full stop. As the Honorable Speaker on the other side said just now, we are still in the dark and we are trying to make a study of the matter. Full stop. He says maybe the management control will be good. Full stop. But we must know about the task forces whose reports are not available.